Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to create an assessment grid to speed up the process of working across several AFs, levels and descriptors. I'm going to come back to here and I'm going to show you how I got to here. Start from home screen, we'll do reporting and we need to go to assessments and set these parameters. So subject, English, I'll do writing, and we'll say autumn first, class 3D again, and level 3 for the sake of argument. And at this point I'm going to create my assessment and I'll call it writing assessment 1, writing example assessment. Okay, now inside this assessment, while I've normally leveled it at 3, I can work across the boundaries. So look at level 2, level 3. Now these of course again may be labelled year group, band, grade, whatever you decide you're going to be using. I'm using level, and I've called it a writing example assessment, but I could put an AF from reading if I so desired. Maybe there's some pre-reading, some deduction, whatever it is. For this example I'm going to choose I'm going to choose 5 AFs and continue. So I'm working at level 2 and 3, or band 1, band 2, grade 3, whatever you decide you're using. I've picked my assessment focuses and I'm going to continue. This produces a grid. Now at the moment you can't see it simply because I've not clicked on a child's name. So as soon as I click on a child's name, I've created a grid. The grayed out descriptors are the descriptors that have already been embedded for this particular child. In this case, Courtney Bradford. If I want to give a credit, I click on any of the descriptors, which will be kept on the child's record in the right area. If I click on them again, they'll become embeds. If I click on them for the third time, they'll go back to blank. Okay, so if I want to embed Courtney Bradford at level 3 for this particular example, I can, and I'll give her an embed for that, I'll give her a green for that, and an embed for that, which is quite a common one to do. Okay, now next step is to put in a comment. Your next step for writing is, I might make a comment, I might even record a report type comment. Now I've entered my comment and selected the credits and embeds. You'll notice I've selected share notes with printed version. If I go down to here, you can see I've created a printable grid. This works in Chrome. I can change that and send it to a printer, or I can save it as a PDF. Well, that is very useful if you need to keep a printed record. Again, these levels could be your grades or whatever. So I won't bother printing, we'll just move it on. Now once these have been selected, embedded and chosen, I simply click on credit and embed, and that's now done. Next step, on to the next child, and you'll see the next child has got different grade out. These are all individual learning programs. So if I look at this one, you can see it's achieve more. So the list each time will be different for each individual. Okay, and that's how you create an assessment grid. Now in order to get back, we simply go back to reporting, and that puts us there. Go back to assessment. This time, just to add a little extra to what we've been looking at, I can view my assessments. The last one I did was this writing example. It's been saved. So if I click on here, then say continue, so I'm ready to go. Okay, and that's how to create an assessment grid. Thank you.